Hello everyone. So next question is 3.6 and 3.7. So let's start with 3.6. The shelf life in days for bottles of a certain prescribed medicine is a certain random variable having density function. So density function is given. That means your x is a continuous random variable. Okay, so density function is given. Find the probability that a bottle of this medicine will have a shelf life of first part is at least 200 days and second part is anywhere from 80 to 120 days. So what we need to do is to define the random variable first. So whatever question you will face in the next videos, so we have to define our random variable first. On the basis of that we will find out the question they are asking us. Okay, so first of all, the hint that we will get in order to define a random variable is from what they're asking you to find out. So here they're asking you to find out the bottle of this medicine will have a shelf life. So they are talking about the shelf life. Okay, so you define it like this: the shelf life in days for a bottle of a certain prescribed medicine. Okay, so x is nothing but a shelf life in days for bottles of a certain prescribed medicine. Okay, and x, you know that it's a continuous type random variable because they are talking about the density function, right? So first question is when x is greater than 200 days, right? So it will be from integration from 200 to infinity because x is greater than 0. Okay, so it will be defined like this, and when you put values you will have the answer this. And next is when it is from anywhere from 80 to 120, so condition will become like this. Now I use the integration, okay, from 80 to 200 f of x dx. I just put the values and I have the answer. You can put the values and integrate it. It is quite easy to do, right? The next part is 3.7. The total number of hours in measured in units of 100 hours that a family runs a vacuum cleaner over a period of 1 year is a continuous random variable. So it is already given here that your random variable is continuous and has a density function. So density function is also given. Find the probability that over a period of 1 year a family runs their vacuum cleaner. Okay, so first of all, what I said earlier, that we have to define our random variable. So what they are asking you is what you have to define your random variable like, right? So here they are asking that probability that over a period of 1 year a family runs their vacuum cleaner. So that's defined x as number of hours measured in 100 hours that a family runs a vacuum cleaner over a period of 1 year. So in place of 100 hours, okay, let's define our unit in 1 hour, right? 1 hour, so it will be 1 upon 100, right? So let's change it. So our first condition, the less than 120 hours. So as they said that measuring unit is 120 hour, 100 hour, right? So 1 unit will be 1 upon 100 hours. So that means 120 unit will be 1.2 hours. So our x will be less than 1.2 hours. So now I know that we are in a continuous type random variable. I'll just put it. Our function is defined and it has a breakage at 1. So it will be from 0 to 1 f of x dx, and from 1 to 1.2. So in 0 to 1 it is defined as x, and in from 1 to 1.2 it is defined as 2 minus x. Just put the values and integrate it, you will have the answer. Next is from 50 to 100 r. So again I have to change it. So 1 unit, I know that 1 unit equals to 100 r here, right? So sorry, 1 unit equals to 1 upon 100 hours. So 50 unit will be 50 upon 100, that is 0.5 hours. So I changed it, this 50 hours to 0.5 hours and 1 hour, right? And I just put the value from 0.5 to 1. Our function is defined as x. Okay, so our function is defined as x. I just put it, and I'll just put the value, I integrate it, okay, and I get the answer 0.75. So if you still find any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.